Welcome back to our mysterious universe. I'm your host, diving into the unknown, the speculative, and today, the very intimate. This episode we ask, will hot robots replace human romantic relationships? Imagine a world where your perfect partner isn't human at all. They're crafted from silicon and steel, powered by AI, and tailored to meet every single one of your desires. This isn't just science fiction anymore, it's our potential future. Let's explore this brave new world. We've already entered an era where AI can be your friend, your confidant, or even your lover. Apps like Replica have given us a taste of digital companionship. But what happens when these companions become physical? Sex robots are no longer a taboo topic, but a burgeoning market, especially for men seeking to fulfill physical needs. Sex robots offer immediate gratification without the complexities of human relationships. They can be programmed for any scenario, providing a level of control and customization that human partners can't match. But will this lead to men writing off human women altogether? There's a risk that men might prefer the predictability and compliance of robots, potentially diminishing the value of human connection. But it's not just about sex, it's about companionship, emotional support, and the organic messiness of human interaction that AI can't replicate. Will these robots become substitutes or supplements? Some believe they might replace human partners, leading to a society where human interaction skills deteriorate. Others see them as complements to human relationships, fulfilling needs that partners might not or cannot. Imagine robot weddings, where love transcends the human form. Or families with AI members, acting as caregivers, siblings, or even parents. The implications for social dynamics are vast, possibly reshaping our understanding of love, commitment, and family. But there's a darker side. Dependency on robots for physical fulfillment might lead to social isolation. If men increasingly turn to robots, it could skew gender dynamics further, enforcing stereotypes or even amplifying misogynistic views by objectifying the female form. And what about ethics? Can you truly love a machine? Should robots have rights? The psychological impact on humans could mean we're trading genuine emotional growth for simulated satisfaction. Let's have some fun with this. Picture robot brothels where you can experience any fantasy safely, or robots teaching us about sexual health, breaking down taboos, and improving communication about consent and pleasure. The perfect partner might be just a software update away, but at what cost? Would you choose a life with a robot who never disagrees or a human who challenges you to grow? As we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, we must ask ourselves what we value in relationships and intimacy. Robots might offer solutions to loneliness or physical needs, but can they ever truly replace the unpredictable, sometimes messy beauty of human connection? Thank you for joining me on this journey through our mysterious universe. Remember, the future isn't set in code. It's up to us to program our destiny. Stay curious, stay open, and let's keep exploring the mysteries of our universe together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep your mind open and your heart, well, that's for you to decide. Goodbye.